So in order to make really simple salad, winter salad with persimmons, I want to show you what I use. I usually use one grapefruit, navel orange, and maybe a couple of mandarin oranges. And then of course the persimmon that I cut from here. And I will show you how I shape it. I cut the skin, remove the skin, and then always cut the persimmon into wedges so that you can actually see sort of the nice shape of a half crescent moon. And then I'm also going to use, instead of endive, which I usually use, I'm having a hard time finding them in Korea these days. So I'm using the inner leaves of the Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage tastes really nice and sweet in the winter months, so it's a perfect time to use them. And to add color, I'm going to use pomegranates. And one of the easiest ways to cut pomegranate is to core the top and then just, you know, pull from the side like this. So let me get started. First, I would use the cabbage, and with cabbage or with any kind of vegetables, I like to just cut them with hand, because if you cut them with a knife, somehow it looks nice and neat, but then it tends to discolor faster. So I think that using your hands to get the vegetables in, and then I would use sprinkle with more sections of the persimmon. With mandarin oranges, it's kind of hard to section because they're small, so I would do the cross cut like this. You get nice orange colors. With the oranges, I think it's good to remove the membrane, but then, you know, they say all the nutrition is in the membrane, so it's your personal preference. My husband doesn't like it with the membranes on, so I always remove it. But I think if I were to eat it by myself, you know, I would leave the membranes on. Then you do the section, remove the segments. And I'm going to use the leftover orange to get the juice out. I'm going to use this for the dressing later on, right? Do the same with grapefruit. It's nice to have the pink grapefruits now. So the smell of the citrus, it's really already very tasty. I can't wait to taste it. And then you add the pomegranate seeds. And do you see how already it looks so beautiful? It's just a little touch of pomegranate seeds just will add something special. I call this actually immunity boosting and detoxing salad. I think all the ingredients here are fantastic to boost your immunity and helps with your detoxing. There it is. And all I'm going to do is to the juice, the citrus juice, I'm going to add little more of the wine vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. This is really important that you use the good olive oil for this salad dressing. Drizzle the olive oil in slowly. Make sure that it blends well. Pinch of ground pepper and coarse salt. Mix well and drizzle over the salad. Here it is. Very nice, simple, but refreshing and nutritious salad. So here we have the persimmon and citrus salad with Napa cabbage. I'm just going to mix it a little bit to get all the dressing. The smell, it's really fantastic already. So take a little bit of everything. Let me try it. As I said, the Napa cabbage is really nice and sweet these days. So, actually, I like it better than the endives. So, try it. The persimmon. Can you hear how crunchy it is? It's really sweet and yet nice and crunchy. And the citrus, sort of that tartness from the citrus fruit, makes it sweeter. I think this will be a really good addition to your even meat dishes and chicken, because it's very light and it's got that sweet and tart taste that would cut out that would balance sort of the greasy meat dishes. So enjoy.